Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a full screen button to your Simplebooklet's Navbar. Found in the controls section, this feature lets your audience expand your booklet to full screen mode, creating a more immersive and focused viewing experience. We're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Controls button. And now all we need to do is toggle on the full screen option. So you can see I already had it toggled on there. But for this video, we'll go ahead and do it again. And so now your Navbar will include a button that lets readers expand the booklet to full screen, removing distractions and enhancing the viewing experience. And that's it. Your changes are saved automatically. Just close the drawer when you're done, and your full screen button is now live in the control section of your Navbar. So if we go to the preview mode here, we can take a look at exactly what it will look like. So now we got the full screen and boom. So we'll open up just like that. The full screen button supports the immersion stage of the reader's journey by giving readers control over their viewing experience. It encourages deeper engagement and allows your audience to focus fully on your content, making it easier to absorb and enjoy your booklet. And that's it. Your audience can now enjoy your Simplebooklet in full screen mode. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.